Ready to transform your Facebook ads from ignored to irresistible, using just your phone and the power of UGC. First, fire up CapCut, the free and easy-to-use video editing app, perfect for creating scroll-stopping ads. Tap on New Project and select the user-generated video content you've gathered. Think authentic testimonials, product demos, or behind-the-scenes glimpses. Now, trim the clip to highlight the most engaging moments, aiming for a concise and attention-grabbing ad, ideally under 15 seconds. Add compelling text overlays that clearly communicate your product's benefits and include a strong call to action like shop now or learn more. Spice things up with royalty-free music from CapCut's library. Choose a track that complements the video's mood and enhances engagement. Don't forget to use eye-catching stickers, emojis, and animations to draw attention to key features and make your ad visually appealing. Before exporting, double-check your resolution and frame rate. For optimal Facebook ad performance, typically 1080p and 30 fps are ideal. Finally, upload your masterpiece to Facebook Ads Manager and target your ideal audience to unleash the power of authentic, ad-driven campaigns. Go at those conversions.